Hi everyone, it's Bimo again. I'm actually at the field with this Parkflyers International Sukhoi PAK FA T-50 G2, and I had so many flights earlier this morning, and right now I will try to record a video for this PAK FA T-50 G2 when flying in a very harsh wind today. Approximately the wind is around 12 knots to earlier it was about 20 to 25 knots, so I'll try to show it to you guys now. Okay, ailerons checked. Okay, here we go. Throttle check. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Whoa, I don't know whether you guys hear the sound of the wind. Man. So it still flies very well, very stable, even though it's a rocking wing now. Okay, trying to somehow lower down the throttle now, about 30%. Using master ratchet out screw 6x4x3 now, with DYS OEM motor to 200 kV. Flies very well, and I'm really enjoying it, even in this such very strong wind. It gets better now. The wind gets better now, unlike the earlier this morning, but it's still just very strong. Whoa! The wind brought the plane a bit higher now, even though the throttle is still around 30-40%. Whoa! You see that? Lots of crosswinds, gusts up there. It still flies very stable. And it's, whoa. Whoa. Oh. If you can hear the roof is banging the structure right behind me. Oh, it flies backward. Oh my. Whoa, man. I like the challenge of this one. Oh gosh, See, it still flies very well, very stable. No surprising from the plane's end, only the wind. I guess 2 ventral fins underneath the wing plate. Give lots of stability. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Okay. Whoa, the wind is bringing it up way higher now. Oh god. Well, I think I'll try to land this now. Should be enough. I have plenty of flights this morning already. So I'm gonna land this now. Hang on, let me try to have another round. Okay, nice, smooth touchdown. It's so, man, I'm very stunned with the with this Parkflyers International T-50 G2. It has become my favorite now, and right now I'm just going to the field with this plane. It has 2 propellers. One is a TGS 6x4 prop, and the other one, the one that right now is installed on the T-50, the Master S through 6x4x3, and I think I really love the performance of the Master S group prop on this PAK FA T-50. It delivers very good performance, big thrust, and also stability. It also generates lower noise. It's quieter than any other propeller I have. So PAK FA T-50 G2 in such very harsh wind today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.